Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription, follow these step-by-step instructions to stop future billing. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to paramountplus.com. Sign in to your Paramount Plus account using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page, then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the Subscription and Billing section where you can view your current plan details and payment information. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription and click on it. Step 5. Paramount Plus may ask you to provide a reason for cancelling. Select an option from the drop-down menu or skip if it's optional. Step 6. Review the cancellation terms, including when your access will end. Typically, you'll retain access until the end of your current billing period. Step 7. Click the final Cancel Subscription or Confirm Cancellation button to complete the process. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Paramount Plus. Save this email for your records in case of any billing issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.